How you guys doing out there? This is JOATD. Today I'm coming to you with an amazing product for all you car haulers out there, you ATV and UTV haulers out there, anybody that's carrying something with a little weight. This tow ball is for you. This product is created by WaySafe. In the box you're going to receive the tow hitch ball, the clamshell, and a Allen key. Now, this tow hitch ball has a meter on the side that tells you how much weight is being distributed from your trailer's load to your tow hitch ball. On the left side, you have the recommended total weight to stay between. That's 100 pounds to 1,500 pounds. On the right side, you have the total weight limit exceeded. That's the red area. That means it's too much weight being distributed to the tow ball. This tow hitch ball diameter is 2 inches. This 2-inch tow ball can carry up to 10,000 pounds. There's another awesome thing about this tow hitch ball. The actual ball is a free spinning ball. That means this ball will turn left to right all the way around in a circle. That's a good thing. So the actual trailer doesn't have to turn around the ball. The ball actually spins itself. In the box, you will also receive a clamshell. This clamshell is used to increase the size of your tow hitch ball. The clamshell has magnets inside that clasp together once placed over the tow hitch ball. The tow hitch ball will increase from a 2-inch to a 2 5/16 inch tow hitch ball. The tow ball still free spins even though the clamshell is attached to it. This tow ball is very sturdy. It's made from heat-treated 3/16 stainless steel components. It also has a 303 highly corrosive coating over the metal. It is important to know that the main shaft of this tow hitch ball is 1 inch in diameter and fastens to a ball mount that measures 3/4 inch thick. Also included is a 3/16 hex wrench. It is used in the set screw to calibrate the gauge to 100 pounds during installation. The part number for this tow hitch ball is WSUN-1. This tow hitch ball is great for anyone out there that's a newcomer to towing. To be able to know how much weight is being distributed to your trailer's tongue will cut down on swaying. Alright guys, JOATD, and I'm out.